Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to apologize for the long break. I've been busy developing a brand new software and handling many remotely fixed service for customers. But I'm back and today I have something really exciting to share with you. Let me walk you through our official website where you can download the software and manage your account credits. Right at the top, you'll find the download button. That's where you grab the latest version of our software. Next to it, you have the login option for existing users to check your credit balance and fix history, and the register button to create a new account. I'll walk you through the registration process in detail a little later in this video. Now let's scroll down to get a look at the software itself. Currently, there are 4 tools available. As long as everything runs smoothly, I'll be rolling out additional tools in future updates. If you want to understand exactly how each tool works, head over to the How To section in the top navigation menu. There, you'll find step-by-step guides showing the credit cost for each operation, along with tutorial videos for every tool. For example, take the Install Calibration Firmware tool. You can check the full list of supported drone models and how many credits each fix requires. I've also added an important note. Some drone models running newer firmware versions may not be supported yet, so please review that list before proceeding. I'll keep the website updated whenever new firmware compatibility is added. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out by clicking on the Telegram icon. Now let's talk about what services are available. Each tool displays its list of supported drones clearly on the page. In addition to the self-service software, we also offer a remote fix service for drone errors that aren't yet covered by the software tools. If you'd prefer a fast, hands-off solution rather than learning the software yourself, the remote fix service is the perfect option. You won't need any technical knowledge. Let's go over how to purchase credits. The more you buy, the better the value. Starter under $100, no bonus credits. 1 credit equals $1. Great for owners with a single drone to repair or if you want to test the software before committing. $100 package, 10% bonus credits included. $200 package, 25% bonus credits included. $300 is the most popular choice with 33% bonus. The last and largest bonus is $400 package, the best value, lowest effective cost per fix and get 40% bonus. Credits are added to your account manually by admin after payment is confirmed. Scammer alert. Before we move on, I need to take a moment to address something serious. There are scammers actively impersonating me, using my logo and very similar names to deceive people. Please be careful. Here's what you need to know. I will never ask you to pay via cryptocurrency or USDT in exchange for extra discounts or bonus credits. Our official payment methods are PayPal and card. Cryptocurrency is technically available but is not our primary method, and we will never use it as a bargaining chip. To contact me safely, click any of the official Telegram buttons on the website. This will open Telegram with my verified address pre-filled so you can be certain you're reaching the right person. Please do not trust accounts based on a logo alone. Always verify the contact address. Alright, now let me show you how to create your account. Click the register button, then enter your email address and a password. Once you've filled in your details, click create account. You'll receive a verification email from Drone Solutions. Just open it and click the confirm email address link. That's all it takes. Now let's log into your account on the website. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see your current credit balance and any active processes. You'll also find a complete history of every repair, which drone was fixed and how many credits were used. From there, let's go to our main page and click the download button to get the software. Note that our software is portable, no installation required, but it is currently Windows only. After downloading, you'll receive a RAR file. Extract it to your desktop. Inside, you'll find 2 items, the driver and the main software. Before launching the software, we need to do a quick Windows security configuration. Open Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, then select the software file on your desktop. This prevents Windows Defender from flagging or deleting the software. You do not need to disable real-time protection. Next, install the driver by simply double-clicking it. It installs automatically. However, before doing this, make sure you already have DJI Assistant for consumer drones installed on your computer. This is a requirement. Once the driver is installed, open the software and log in using the email and password you registered with on the website. Check Remember Me if you'd like the software to log you in automatically each time. Inside the software, you'll see your dashboard with your credit balance. The Active Reserve section shows any failed operations that are eligible for a free retry. Each tool has a slightly different layout, but all are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Every tool also features a help instruction button that links directly to the relevant tutorial on our website, so you always have guidance at hand. Within the software, you'll also find a shortcut to my YouTube channel, which has grown to over 28,000 subscribers, built entirely from the ground up over the years. You can find my contact details in the description of any of my videos. There's also a direct Telegram link inside the software, so you can reach me quickly and safely, and avoid any confusion with scammers. And that all covers everything for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me directly by Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.